Welcome to my journey. In AS Brokers, we are building a new website, and I am using this opportunity to create and build on our YouTube channel. So the topic is filling the bucket. So I like to use the analogy of a bucket. So in my garage, I've got a blue bucket. It's got a tap, a white tap at the bottom. And inside this bucket is investments and savings. Now, your goal in life is to create enough savings and investments that can go into your bucket so that one day if you can go into retirement or financial freedom, what we talk about, then the money that flows out of that bucket must be more than your expenses. If you're not in that position, you cannot retire or you will not be financially free. So we started our journey in 1998. 1999 our business was registered, and we've been in this business AS Brokers since then. So how does financial planning start, and what is all the services that we provide? Now I want to start with Vitality, because we as financial advisors, we're actually also health advisors. We need to talk to clients about their health, protecting their health, and looking after their health, because health plays a big role. If you do not die because of a car accident, or you're unlucky to get cancer or some serious illness in your life, you're going to grow to an old age. And are you prepared for that? So let's start with Vitality. I've created a personal challenge for myself to get to diamond status, and together my wife and I, we aim for at least gold status together. And I am creating a community where I'm going to share information about my journey and what is all the benefits on Vitality. Now, not every client we've got is on Vitality, but I know from experience that a lot of clients in our niche of clients that we deal with have got some product with Discovery. From Discovery Insure, they've got a Discovery Medical Aid, they've got a Discovery Bank account, and Discovery Life Insurance Policy, and Vitality always pops up somewhere there. Now I know from experience that all my clients that are on Vitality somewhere in their life made a decision to get at least to gold status or the ultimate diamond status. Now, just to give you a glimpse of what I've done, I purchased a watch. I purchased it on my Discovery credit card, and I paid for it on a budget account. So Discovery gave me the money, and I got to exercise to pay for that watch. That's a 2-year commitment. Are you up to commit to get to diamond status in 2 years? So that means looking after your health, looking after your fitness in 2 years' time. If you're up for that, join our community. We're going to share a lot about that there. Then we do Discovery Bank, but we make use of a third party. Bank is quite sophisticated. Although we are accredited, we pass it on. So if you are interested in Discovery Bank or needs to know anything about it, can help you. The next one is a will and testament. Now a will, everything in your plan actually starts with a will, and you need to set up a will if you do not have one, and if you do have one, you need to review it. And you'll see in the will page is one of the first pages that we've created on our website, because I believe a will is an important document. Creating the will also open up conversations about all your insurance needs, estate plan. How much money is it going to cost for you to die? Have you got enough life insurance? Have you got enough disability cover? Have you got income protection? Have you got severe illness? And that's all the questions that comes up when we do a will. And also talk about investments. So a will has actually opened up the door for us to have a conversation. That led us to a trust and business planning. Not every client want and need a trust, but if your estate, yours and your wife, is bigger than 7 million, I would recommend that you look at setting up a trust. Just by setting up a trust and doing your will correct, we can save you in excess of R1 million that can go to your children, go to your grandchildren, instead of going to the receiver of revenue. I spoke about life insurance. We've got contracts with Discovery, Momentum, BrightRock, and we find which company is best suited for your needs. It leads us to short-term insurance, and there we do business and personal insurance. We started off our journey as short-term brokers because of me working for Santam for more than 7 years. And in my career with Santam, I used to deal a lot with business owners and farmers and got a lot of experience there. So naturally for us, in our practice, we deal a lot with business owners. Business owners need a lot of what we sell, and you'll see once we're going to build our business page, you'll see all the needs, and we're going to create opportunity for you to download documents to be able to see what you need. I also do a podcast with Johnny Farina that's also working in our practice, and we talk a lot about business insurance needs. We normally do that on a Friday. We've stopped for a while, but we will now again regularly update our podcast on a weekly basis to teach and guide you on your business insurance needs. Next up is medical aid. Now, a typical client that fits into our AS Broker clients profile is somebody that's already got a medical aid. Medical aid is non-negotiable. You know, if somebody in your family gets sick, you're going to make a plan. You're going to get the money somewhere to pay for an operation or pay for treatment. If your child got cancer, you'll get the money. You'll make a plan. You'll go into your retirement savings if you have to pay for your child's treatment, I can promise you. So together with a medical aid is gap cover, and those two helps protect your investments, protect your bucket that I've been explaining. So insurance products are there to protect your bucket, and that leads us to the last part of the financial plan, and that is creating the money inside the bucket. Now there you need investments. In our practice in the last 6, 7, 8 years, we started more and more advising clients on investments. And we managed to get a license on unlisted shares. It's a 1.8 license. And I think it makes AS Brokers a bit unique. There's a lot of reasons why I like unlisted shares. And I talk more about that on the unlisted shares page that I'm going to put up in the new website. We're also building a lot of calculators and tools to help you to create investments. You know, creating investments and hanging on to those investments are the most difficult part of your financial plan. People lose their investments, and there are hundreds of reasons. To name a few is divorce, bankruptcy, financial troubles, illness, a mishap in your business. If there's a fire and you are not properly insured, it can properly ruin you. So there are a lot of reasons why people lose their investments. Now, last part is retirement, and I don't like to talk about retirement because retirement is something that we inherited from the next or the previous generation. You know, you used to work for a company for most of your life, and they looked after you in retirement. That no longer exists. There's only a small number of people that got pension funds at their jobs where they work at. So your retirement, your problem. And if you do not know what you do, you're going to get to retirement and you're going to be sitting with no money. And we like to talk more about financial freedom because it's easier to explain and it's easier for clients to understand. So just imagine the bucket again, and I may be repeating myself. But if the money that flows out of your bucket through that little white tap is not more than your expenses, you cannot retire. So you cannot retire if you're not financially free. Now, what do we do extra in our practice to help people with financial freedom? We guide them to our coach and mentor. We are affiliated to the Wealth Creators University, and there's a link below this video. We also promote the BRMS system, and it's a system where we are creating this website. Now, why do you need a system? You need a system where you can get all your clients' names and addresses, so it's a CRM system. It's a system where you can at one place create your advertisements on social media. So if you've got a YouTube, you've got a Facebook, you've got Instagram, you've got TikTok, you can do the marketing from one place, and any responses on any of those platforms will get back to one place. Imagine that you run a Facebook page and you run a TikTok page, and all the responses can come back to one system. And it's also a place, for me, I'm not really into TikTok and not big into Facebook. I like YouTube. But imagine if somebody posts a comment and it will appear on one place for you and your team to be able to answer those questions very quickly. There are many more benefits of the CRM system or the BRMS system, and I will also be talking about it in future videos and show you how we built our website on this system. I think the last thing I want to talk to you about it is the ability to communicate to your entire client base, and that's what we've been doing. So if you receive an email from AS Brokers, it will be from this system. And if you post a question, that question will appear on our site, and that question will automatically be transferred to your file. And imagine you can have that same system in your business. Now, why am I promoting this? This gives us an opportunity to earn extra money, and that extra money goes into my investment bucket so that I can get to financial freedom, and the opportunity is there for you to do the same. Where can you learn? Where can you get a product where you can earn in dollars? So just to sum it up, you create investments, you protect your investments, and then you pass it on to the next generation. So you'll see all the videos will be about health, wellness, creating investments, protecting the investments, and passing it on. Just a small thing about my videos. I just want to share with you that I'm going to build my YouTube channel, but I've got limited resources. So I'm not spending a lot of time on editing. I'm going to make mistakes. Please forgive me for them. And I'm not going to put a lot of visuals in my videos, for the reason I do not have time to spend on making these videos, except for creating the content, posting it on YouTube, and I'm all doing it by myself. So hopefully later I may have a team and we will make more fancy videos, but for the moment it's just me, my camera and my little light there behind me. See you in the next video. Cheers, bye.